So a lot of patients will put off replacing their missing teeth if they're tired of dealing with the dentures, but they simply may not know their options. So at Gulf Coast Smiles, we're able to give them a number of options all in one roof, starting with a complimentary consultation to a planning process, and try and get their goals and see if we can get them there. Just think about having pain in your mouth and not being able to smile, not be able to eat, and just knowing that there are options available. Anywhere from replacing a few of your teeth, replacing all your teeth, so that you have your function back. You can smile, you can eat, and trying to restore your mouth to a place where you don't have to live with pain. So the technology is available. We start with a cone beam scan. It allows us to look at your anatomy in 3 dimensions. So the advantages of using the technology that's available is that it gets you to the end goal quicker, faster, and safer. So for anybody who's considering a full arch replacement, you just have to understand that this is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. There's a lot of work that goes behind the scenes. It's amazing to know that you're gonna be functioning from day one, and that you're gonna leave with your teeth. So if you're considering dental implants to replace your missing teeth, call Gulf Coast Smiles. We'll bring you in for a free consultation, and we'll start your journey there.